Well, see, now this is funny because now John from Biscuitry said he was chatting with a thumbnail expert the other day and created about 10 variations on a thumbnail for me in seconds using Nano Banana.
Yeah.
And then did fine adjustments in Photoshop, which for everybody who doesn't know, I didn't know this until yesterday. That's like the Google Gemini image thing.
Yes.
Which is mind-blowingly better than the Chat GPT image creation.
You might say it's bananas.
Now, so I have an idea for a thumbnail that I want to do for my next upcoming video. And I'm thinking I'm just going to take a picture of myself standing in my office, no preparation in the background, holding a box. And then I'm going to pipe that into Nano Banana Pro and say, make it look like I'm standing outside and replace this box and make it look like a computer on my arms. Do you think I have to do the AI declaration for the video on YouTube then?
I don't know. You might have to Google that.
Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, that's a good point.
I believe so for anybody who does know what we're talking about, on YouTube, you upload a video, it asks you tons of questions like, are there paid promotions? So like, did you do an ad?
On TV?
Yeah,
Are there kids involved?
Are there kids involved?
Yeah.
Is it made for kids?
Yes.
Yeah, exactly. And one of them is, it asks like, do you have profanity? Do you have like, guns or like political topics and stuff like that? One of the other ones is there AI generated content in this video?
And it's kind of got some specific verbiage that's like, that makes it look like a person did a thing that they didn't do or something like that. I'm not, it's pretty specific.
It's kind of like it reads like they want you to point out anytime you're using AI in a way that falsifies what people are seeing, and they can't discern the difference.
Yes. So if I'm trying to make like a cartoony thumbnail, and there's not going to be any AI generated video clips in the video, but to generate the thumbnail, is that?
If you're using Nano Banana, the thing is, it puts that little watermark at the bottom corner.
Yeah, but let's be real. A quick little Photoshop session gets rid of that pretty quick.
She's gone. Yeah.
Yeah. Take the heel brush, draw over it.
So let's table the thumbnail question for now. Let's same question, but let's move it to a different spot. Okay. You have a middle of 50% through the video. You do a shot of whatever you're making. And it's laying on your desk, it's running on a workbench, and in the background you got a bunch of cables, you got a bunch of power cords, whatever, and you're like, well, I want this to look kind of like a cleaner, like panning shot, so I'm going to use AI to just take out that stuff in the background.
Have you tried ever doing that?
No, but what I'm saying is like, would you think you then need to be like, there's AI manipulated content in this because I'm not, the subject of the video hasn't been created by AI. I'm cleaning up and simplifying a background.
Yes. Yeah. Again, I think that would be okay. I don't think you'd have to click the disclosure because of the verbiage that's around it. It's,
it'd be interesting. I don't know how effective this would be. Don't have the experience for it. Maybe you guys do. If you used AI content in one of your videos, just like a little bit, but it's not noticeable.
Yeah.
And then at the beginning of your video, you make a statement of, I need to preface up front that there is some AI used in this video, and just leave it there. And then see if you get engagement in the comments of people like, I
try to guess
here,
what it is. My next video that's coming out, there's I had AI generate a graph for me. It's very upfront early in the video. It's just like basically like an infographic to illustrate the point I was trying to make. But it's something that would have taken me probably hour to make in Photoshop. I would have used Photoshop, not Illustrator, like I probably should.
Is it animated?
It's not animated, just simple like still image. Sure. But I said, like take these 4 graphics cards, chart out their power usage and the date that they came out or something like that.
Yeah.
So it had to do a little research in order to like fill out the graph as well. which was kind of cool. So it found the data, then it graphed the data, and it like made it look appealing and nice. And it did in like 30 seconds or however long it takes.
So does that make you feel like you need to say there's AI content in your video?